Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Portal 2 on Android. First, we'll look at cloud gaming, which streams the game directly to your phone. This is often the easiest way to get started without complex setups. Next, we'll discuss emulation, a more technical approach that allows the game to run locally. Finally, I'll share some tips for optimizing your gameplay experience, ensuring smooth performance and enjoyable sessions on your mobile device. Let's dive in. Cloud gaming offers a fantastic way to play Portal 2 without needing powerful hardware on your Android device. Services like NVIDIA GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming allow you to stream the game over the internet. You'll need a robust internet connection, preferably a fast Wi-Fi or 5G network, to minimize latency and ensure a smooth experience. Pairing a good Bluetooth controller will significantly enhance your precision and overall enjoyment, making the gameplay feel much more natural. Emulating Portal 2 on Android is a more advanced option, allowing you to run a version of the game directly on your device. This typically involves using a PC emulator like Yuzu or Skyline, which can translate Switch games to Android. Your phone needs to have a high-end processor and ample RAM for acceptable performance. The setup process can be intricate, requiring you to acquire the game files and configure the emulator correctly, but it offers a truly native feel. To get the best performance when playing Portal 2 on your Android device, whether through cloud gaming or emulation, there are a few key steps. Always close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources. Experiment with the in-game graphics settings. Lowering resolutions or detail levels can significantly improve your frame rate. Also, remember to check the description for links to the darn tough socks mentioned, as well as other great deals and resources to enhance your gaming setup. Enjoy your adventures in Aperture Science.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.